Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a delicious Thai recipe that's called green curry tofu, and it's simple to make, and let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are some tofu. Now this is the silken or the soft tofu, some bamboo shoots. These are some chopped potatoes in medium size. This is some coconut milk, basil leaves. These are the Thai basil leaves, some lime leaves. These are the red chilies, some roasted cumin powder, some roasted coriander seeds or dhania seeds, 2 teaspoons of lime juice, some salt to taste, and this is the coconut oil. Now to make the green curry, I have these ingredients with which I'm going to make the green curry. This is the lemongrass that I finely chopped. This is 1 shallot, and these are some cilantro leaves with the stem, some garlic, and some green chilies. Now to make the green curry paste, I'm going to blend all these ingredients in a blender, and I've added a little bit of water in this, and next goes in our other ingredients. That's the cilantro, green chilies and garlic, the shallots, and the lemongrass. Now I'm going to grind this into a paste. Now a green curry paste is half ready. I'm going to add the coriander seeds, which I forgot to add in the beginning. And these are the cumin seeds that I've ground, and the lime juice. So I'm going to add all 3 things together and continue making a paste. Now this is a green curry paste. It smells amazing with all those interesting ingredients, and let's start making our green curry tofu. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to add this coconut oil into our hot saucepan. Now in this coconut oil, I'm going to add a few spoons of our green curry paste that we just made. And now I'm going to mix it. Now saute the green curry paste in the coconut oil for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now it's been about 7 minutes that our green curry paste has been simmering in coconut oil. Now let's check. It's almost done. And now we are going to add our potatoes, and to give it some color, I'm going to add some orange or red fresh chilies, some bamboo shoots, and some lime leaves. Now the lime leaves, I'm just going to tear it and then add it. Now after adding that, I'm going to add some salt to taste and mix all this together. And now I'm just going to cover it and keep it for about 2 minutes for the potatoes to saute in this green curry paste. Okay, so I'm just going to cover it and leave it for another 2 minutes. Now let's check on our potatoes. Okay, and now I'm going to add our coconut milk Here's a coconut milk. And let all these vegetables saute in coconut milk for about 5 to 7 minutes. I'm just going to leave this. Now let our potatoes saute on low flame for about 5 minutes in this coconut milk. Now let's check on our potatoes. They've been simmering for about 10 minutes on low flame. So I'm just going to check on these. It smells really good. And now I'm going to add a tofu. Very carefully because this is soft tofu and it can break apart. And these are the fresh basil leaves. And now I'm just going to turn off the gas and give it a quick mix. I don't want to overcook the vegetables. And I'm just going to give it a quick mix. And our green curry tofu is now ready and I'm going to serve it. Now here's a delicious green curry tofu which I've garnished with a little bit of chili flakes and some basil leaves. And doesn't it look so attractive? And definitely try this at home the way I just showed you, and it's going to turn out to be super delicious. I hope you liked this Thai green curry tofu recipe, and if you did, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe. And for more videos, tune in till next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.